Welcome to SAT 021. In this lesson, we'll be learning about the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean, which can also be called as the average, is rather convenient to compute. It is equal to the sum of values divided by the number of values. For example, suppose we have a series of numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, and 6. And here's the mathematical formula for the mean, which is denoted as x bar. On the right side of the formula, x1 is the first number, x2 is the second number, and xn is the last number. So the formula is just saying sum up all the values and divide it by number of values. And in our case, we have 10 values in total, so we're dividing by 10. And the answer is 3.7. Now we know what the arithmetic mean is. Let's try a practice problem. The arithmetic mean of 5 numbers is 20. If one of them is 15, what is the average of the other 4 numbers? Okay, let's bring out the formula first. And since we have 5 numbers, our n equals 5. And since the mean is 20, one of the 5 numbers is 15, we can substitute x bar for 20 and one of the x's for 15. Rearranging the formula, we get 100 equals x1 plus x2 plus 15 plus x4 plus x5. In other words, the sum of the 5 numbers is 100. And if we subtract 15 from both sides, we have the sum of the remaining 4 numbers equal to 85. And since we want the average of the remaining 4 numbers, we just divide 85 by 4, and we get 21.25. Let's take a look at another practice. The 15 students in Ms. Singer's class received an average test score of 80%. The average test result for Mr. Joy's class of 25 students was 70%. What was the average score for the two classes taken together? Well, again, according to the formula for the mean, the sum of 15 students in Ms. Singer's class can be found by multiplying 80% by 15. And the same goes for the 25 students in Mr. Joy's class. The sum of their score is 70% times 25. And so the overall average can now be found by taking the sum of all scores, which is the sum of Ms. Singer's class plus the sum of Mr. Joy's class, and divide them by the total number of students, which is 15 plus 25. And the final answer is 73.75%. That's it for this lesson. Thank you for watching. See you next time.